Hello guys, this is Asutosh. I'm going to share my interview experience of Cognizant Gen C, which I have given just now. I have not yet logged out our Superset account, so I'm going to share what type of questions were asked from me. So first of all, when I entered the room, the interviewer doesn't ask. She was a ma'am. She doesn't ask me about yourself. She just started that what is your primary skill. I said that I'm more proficient in C++, but I have also conceptual knowledge of Java. So she asked, have you done any certifications in that? I told that, yeah, I've done certifications from NPTEL in C++ and from Udemy in Java. So she asked me about project, that what project have you developed. So I said that I've developed an e-commerce website using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and PHP and MySQL database as backend. So she asked that after being an ECS student, why you developed software kind of project. I told that as e-commerce industry is growing very fastly, and I think it will grow till 2025 very rapidly. So I thought to have a skill which can add value to some people's life, or I think it will be always beneficial for me to delivering my best in the organization. She said okay. I think that she was impressed from my answer. Then she asked, suppose you don't have any hands-on experience in Java or C++, then if a company will want to do any learn new skills or something like that, would you be agree? So I told that yeah, I'm a quick learner and I'm very flexible. I can learn many technology whatever required for the company, and I can also I also used to read articles on some latest technologies and all these things. Okay, then she okay, and they say, have you make your project live? I said that no, yet now I have not make it live, but I am thinking to make it live on cloud. So she said me to explain cloud computing. I explained that, and she told explain something other new technology. So then I explained ML, and then she asked me two aptitude questions, and I said I solved that, one from ratio proportion and one was from time and work. Like that was very basic. I'm not saying that basic, that is very basic. So it was from proportion question, she just asked me answer, and after time and work questions she asked me to explain how you implemented it. I just explained, and then she told me, yeah, you have to write a code, like you write a code for like print the prime numbers from L to R. That is very simple question. I solved this, and then at the last I provided input value 2 to 15. Then it's printed all the prime numbers like 2 3 5 7 9, sorry 9 not 11 13. It printed. Then she cross checked that provide another input. I try to be little bit smart here because I know that my code is good, means it will run perfectly. So she asked me to I asked me to, ma'am, can you provide those two inputs? And then she said 10 20. Yeah, I provided, and it printed all the prime numbers like 11 13 17 19, 4 prime numbers. Yeah. Then she said okay, super, you can disconnect. I disconnected, and right now I've just completed my interview. Today is 28th of September. By the way, my interview was scheduled to 10:30 to 12, but it started I think at 1:30 or 20. That's it. I think my interview was for almost 25 to 30 minutes. I think 25 or 20. That's as I was giving the answers of questions rapidly, so I think that it takes very less time. So that's why. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want such type of interview experiences. Then please subscribe. I will tell you a basic introduction about myself. I am a EC student, fourth year. I will share all my experience, interview experience, or my friends' interview experience. So please subscribe and also share with your friends and comment do comment in comment section that what kind of what interview of what companies would you like to want, and from which branch you like to watch the interview of which company. So you can share that in comment section, and you can see my dress that I was dressed very formally, white shirt and just I think it looks quite professional, so I was just dressed like this. So if you will follow my advice, I will say you that just dress very formally. Like if you don't have white shirt, you can buy from the market, and I think it will be great impact on your interviewer, because your first impression is your last impression. So if you will be dressed well, you will greet good afternoon, good ma'am, good morning ma'am, good afternoon, good morning sir. Then it will create a great impact, and I think the chances of getting your selection will be high at that point. Okay, thanks. So subscribe, please subscribe, share with your friends, and do comment whatever you want, what kind of interview experiences, for which branch you want.